When you think about Vietnamese food, what you're probably thinking of is a delicious, savory soup. But I bet you didn't realize you're missing out on Vietnam's sweet treats. Here in Ho Chi Minh City, ABC Bakery is making some of the best baked goods ever. And leading the charge is the very talented chef Cao Shu Luk.
You're quite famous.
Really?
Chef Cao believes that everything his bakery makes needs to be just right, and in order to make that happen, only the best ingredients make the cut.
I believe quality. Quality is very important for us. I believe Washington, the products, maybe the first choice.
The
is
first
product.
choice?
Yes.
Well, we love that.
Chef Cao took me around the bakery where his employees were training with Washington ingredients in order to make the perfect baked goods.
So these are from Washington, I can tell, just by looking at them.
We use Washington here and Washington apple. This one also Washington.
Yeah, the red potatoes.
Very nice color. The apple we use Washington apple, and then we drop the small pieces, put in the water, then we ferment about 7 days. This is a natural yeast.
Okay.
Yeah.
That natural yeast is then used to make some amazing sourdough.
Everything smells so good in here. That's gorgeous. I love how ornate it is.
Before we left, Chef Cao treated us to a baked good, or maybe more than one.
I cannot believe how many beautiful baked goods we have in front of us right now. We're so lucky.
I'm a little overwhelmed at
I
the
know.
amount of goodness sitting here.
Now comes our favorite part.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Sorry, lady first.
Thank you.
Oh man.
It's so good, Chef.
And there you are.
Yeah, me.
You're so cute.
Before Chef Cao rolled us out of the building, we tried a special treat made with Washington potatoes. And who better to try it with than the director of the Washington Potato Commission, Chris Voigt.
You don't get the whole thing, Chris. Sorry.
This is like breakfast, lunch, and dinner all combined into one pastry. This is really delicious.
I think it's nap time now.
You guys take a nap. I'll clean up.